Welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you all back again. This is my first video of the year and I would like to say a big happy new year to you all. I hope you had a lovely celebration and I also hope that you're preparing your mind for a fresh start, because this year is going to be a big year for all of us and we're praying for the best to happen. I would like to jump into this tutorial quickly and also explain to you where I got these hardcover books from. I got it from TK Maxx and I think they cost me about €5 each, except the big one that cost maybe about €7 thereabout. I don't really remember, but I found them very useful for me to make these hardcover designer books. The first step to creating this beautiful hardcover book was to go on Google. I searched the name of the logos that I wanted, typed in the name of the brand that I wanted. I chose Louis Vuitton, I chose Prada, Givenchy, and I think Christian Dior, and the other one, Tom Ford, and Tom Ford. So I downloaded them on my computer. I went to download, I searched for the images. And I went to open them to see that the pictures had the right pixel. So what I did was I took it to a store where they printed it out for me and then I brought it back home. So I'll just show you how I made them step by step. So keep watching, please. In the beginning of this tutorial, you might have seen me with a measurement tape. This was the tape that I used to measure the size of the book because I wanted the images to fit exactly on this book. I didn't want them either too small or too big, so I had to measure the book. And also in the store where I went to print it out, they also helped me to measure the images on Photoshop, so they came out accurately just like I wanted it. Sorry, I forgot to explain in the beginning that the tools that I used were the ones you see on the table. I used an old Visa card, I used the school glue, I used the knife and the scissors as well, and also I used the sticker paper as well. After making this tutorial, I realized decorating is a source of escape and it gives me so much joy and comfort. The glam this cover book gives my coffee table is amazing. Just look at the table lamp sitting above the books arranged on my sideboard. The salt it gives my surrounding puts a smile on my face. Maybe if you relate to this tutorial, you might want to look for any hardcover book and use the simple DIY guideline to decorating your place and giving your home a sense of well-being. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to like this tutorial, share it. I'm here to respond any questions that you have or any doubts. Just please drop me a line, and thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.